Kumachielo eni jatend piny Kenya William Ruto wachoni piny Kenya oikore mar riwore kod kembe mag lony manyasani e piny Amerika mar nyayo dongruok mar uchumi kod winjruok e kind pinje ariyogo. Kanolose apis madito mag ohala midendo ni US Chamber of Commerce Business Center, Ruto onyiso joket mwandu mag piny Amerika ni ogeto keto matut winjruok mar ohala e kind pinje ariyogo mar nyayo dongruok mar uchumi e piny Kenya kod Afrika mangima.
Between the two countries, green data centers to boost.
We now have in Kenya a special economic zone in Thika that will focus on pharmaceutical manufacturing. And I invite companies who want to explore opportunities in that space. Aside from us giving incentives on buying from locally manufactured products, you have the benefit of access to the East African market of 300 million people, and by extension, using the Africa Continental Free Trade Area, access to 1.4 billion people. If you're looking for market, if you're looking for opportunity, there you are.
The truth is, the policies that President Ruto's administration is pursuing, his deep and abiding commitment to democracy, transparency, and the rule of law, and the entrepreneurialism of the Kenyan people, it's unlocking new opportunities, changing the narrative in Kenya and, quite frankly, on the whole continent. The thing I have heard over and over again throughout this week, and when I came back from Kenya and from the business leaders I took with me to Kenya, is this: I didn't realize how much opportunity there was.
Riwruok mar Azimio buogo mar luongo ng'anyo